how to create multiple product pages in Shopify for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking in great depth and detail about how you can create multiple product pages in Shopify. And we're going to be talking about it in, best fashion because I'm going to be going through all the steps. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end. Now, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Shopify and you're obviously going to log in with your account. Now, once you've logged in with your account, obviously, when it comes to creating multiple pages for your products, you are obviously, first of all, going to need enough products to get those multiple pages. So, multiple product pages are something that people like to, keep an aesthetic look for their page. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have a few products over here. I've added 2 or 3 products over here. So you can add 5 to 4 more. Okay. And if you add 5 to 4 more products for yourself, what that will do is it will obviously, keep a high number of products that you can add multiple pages for. So let's say I'm going to just go ahead and add this product, just as an example. Click on save, and there's a product, and you can add 2 or 3 more products just to satisfy the needs. So you have that. We're going to click on save. Okay, back out. So you get the point. Pretty basic, pretty easy stuff, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into collections and you're going to create a collection for yourself. So I'm going to go into collections. I'm going to call this collection, let's say, new products, let's say. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. You're going to basically enter some text for a product tag as well. So the product tag is going to be equal to, you know, uh, anything that it could be potentially equal to. Just add that in. And once you've added this kind of detail, what you're going to do is you're just going to load your store in. And here you can see now you have products and you have a, you could say, collection. So how do you add products to your collection? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on all the products one by one. You're going to go down in collections and you're going to start adding them in your, certain collections that you have. Or you can just go into collections and you can start dropping products in this collection. So, you get the whole point. This is how you can add collections to your store. Now, once you add collections, that is one of the biggest ways on how you can actually create multiple product pages on this. So, yeah, pretty fun, pretty easy. Now, let's say I'm gonna go over here. Okay. And again, you can go into collections, and in the collection section, obviously, it's going to give you all the different collections for all the different products that you get. So you're going to add all these products into one collection. And once you add all these products into one collection, what you will do from there is you're going to create a name for that collection page. So obviously, we added the new collection, right? So we're going to come to this collection. Obviously, this collection is called new, correct? So basically I'm just gonna add a space value and let's say 1. Okay, so once you've chosen to do that, you're just gonna click on save, and once everything is done, over here you're obviously gonna like, this is one of my collections, and in this, I have a few products. Then this is the other collection, etc., etc. So you get the point. Now what you're gonna do for this is you're gonna come to online store and you're gonna click on pages. So what this basically does is it's going to redirect you to the certain amount or the certain places or different pages that you're going to create. So I'm going to come here and click on add page. Once you click on add page, it's going to give you a title. So I'm going to call this page new, obviously, because we're creating a page for the product categories that we have. Now, once you've created a page for that, you're also going to create a page for the other category that you have. So I'm going to call that one home clothing. So I'm going to save that, and there you have 2 pages now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to basically add navigation links to those pages. So I'm going to go to main menu, and once you go to main menu, this is how you're going to create multiple product pages. So as you can see, I've created these multiple drop downs. Now I'm going to click on add menu item. I'm going to call this add menu item new. Okay. I'm going to go in pages, and there you have that. So that's how you're going to add the home page as well. You're going to do that. You're going to click on save menu. Once you click on save menu, you're going to go to online store. Once you come to online store, you're going to click on customize. And once we click on customize, it's going to load us in. I'm just going to wait for it to do that. And obviously, once you're loaded in, you're going to go to the pages that you currently have working for you. So there's the new page. And in this new page, once we click on it, you're going to add a featured collection. And in this featured collection, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and select the collection that you want to add. And obviously in new, we're going to add the new collection. And there we go. And then obviously in the home page, where we should have the home collection, there you can see we have the featured products with the products that I added in home. So this is how you can mess with the collections and mess with, wait, I'm just going to change collection, go in home. You can also add certain collections like this. So you get the point. So this basically creates multiple product pages, like people can switch from this page to this page, and I've just made collections of different products that have different niches and different categories, different products with different meanings behind it. So every product stands for itself, and for every stand that those products take, they have a separate meaning for themselves. So, you get the whole point, you get the basic gist of all of this. Now, obviously, moving on, once we've understood all of that, basically what you're going to do from here is you're just going to save your page, and you can add more products for yourself as well. You can mess with the heading sizes and all. Like, let's say I want this to be a featured products heading, or you can add another products heading for yourself in some other place. So just edit it accordingly to whatever you want, whatever type of yield you want, whatever type of value you want out of all of this. And once you've chosen that for yourself, yeah, you're gonna be good to go from there. So basically, yeah, that's pretty much about it. So yeah, everyone, that's the basic idea of how you are going to be making multiple product pages in Shopify. And basically, again, all you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure you have a fully set it up store, because obviously that's the main crucial point. But yeah, apart from that, things are pretty easy to mess around with. And just make sure that you create pages beforehand into the left hand dashboard section of the Shopify store. And once you've created that, then you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I will be making more for you. And in case that you didn't understand some aspect of this video, let me know down in the comments below, and I will explain it all fully for you. But yeah, that's basically about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will see all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.